Kwadwo shade sebi between pu afechem. I'm telling you, mother crumble more for chew. You better add also in the moon. Now, one day.
Madi kan ahye obo se kukuru no enjai na keka no so enjai a the free Kwadwo Sheldon ene Kwadwo Nkansah eho ebebe bia no strong media yebem wo hu de ekoso na anokwasem ne se kukuru no ene keka no enyai na no ena mema wo hu se Kwadwo Sheldon ene yebra panyi Fiifi Pratt akodi nkomo ewo Afro joint edwumadi so ama wakeka na adwe Lilwin so ede emuaye aba na wedie or the warning ama yebra panyi Fiifi Pratt say ono no ama kwan ama Kwadwo Sheldon no etimi abedi natem ewo ne platform so abusua ye de munchiemu ni nyina no ebebre o mesel say wo be subscribe to channel no na wo wi a wa kire wadwen afa video a wo hwe yi ho na masel say wo be share nso ama onua bi ensa atumi aka na make say eye time header measure any prof act ena asoya se na ye de video yi ebre o Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin a drop video bi a chese ne bo ofu a ode warning kese akọ yebra panyi Fiifi Pratt a owo Kingdom FM so na no ena mema ohunu se beef a abeto one Kwadwo Sheldon entem no Kwadwo Sheldon kopie mu ewo Fiifi Pratt edwumade yi so ema okeka na adwen ekire Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin enunu mu kura no osan so edi twampoa se shatawale mpo one no aye back to back.
And where this back and forth, you know they need me like that. Because me and Shatter we go toe to toe. You know when you know go fit you to me. Because I go fit do am like dirty.
Shatawale mpo no one no ede ayem na wo Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin na chese eho no se utie ne nchire mu no anase ne kasa na okan ni ya na se Shatawale ni momu no ewo animu chen Kwadwo eno Kwadwo Nkansah abeyi na no wo ho na nsemo a Kwadwo ede atodwa ende no abusua enye asem kuma.
Yeah, Mr. Fiifi Pratt, Kingdom FM. The person pa medopa. But she interviews more than several times. Tambia on makwai. Eshada enubi ba kumani didi ne paratem. No haraba go tele twaso enkasa o jankasa mama na kan wi. Mama Kwadwo Sheldon no abetra ho no kaseti ame. Sebi was asking home for chemi. Ghana from Bacana cry. Sebi Ghana from you who may fetch me. Then you could just show them. And I said, Miss Rabbi, moving now. I could grab us about officers and a natural. Could you show them? Sebi. Between poor effort. I'm telling you, mother crumble more for chew. You better add also in the moon. Na umwade na wasa kabet say obaba premier na me no problem. I'm just waiting for the date 17th May National Chat. I'm just waiting for that day so nya sa kudu na betima ba woni Mr. Fiifi Pratt unyiru kam emamu nsiase what I say and let me tell you abofu ana edi YouTube aba ana enne amaska abafu awu ebinum botom bit sewo ana man de wanya kasa wakasa tamna YouTube ma na Ghana fo nya nko mu no na nka wuni anu mpo o man Ghana mu ben YouTube aba ma sebe boso no nya kakra yi atu botom do Fiifi Pratt kasa basa e kire artist nyame hye omo manim asa edin mpo no nya easy Umpa sebe unu baby ampo no awunya obia no uko program asa no Fiifi Pratt how much about the star a stars na sebe opat from begin o abatra studio honom ana ya unu ma interview na konya abana ubanya se wo ye celebrity star bi interview enhira umu ne kuta begin na ne abekese kakra o manga na che umfose wo artist bi umu artist bi anyame me sebe wow, we YouTuber and I as an interviewer. Na sebi. Unyansa from unyansa. I will not come to a studio to sit down and interview me. Me nyasa o. wadwumu mre e wo interview ho na kasa basabasa wo kasa bia na wo kwachichi bi onyansa bia nim na me trans e ma wo interview me ko ma pre ana manya say di wi ana ma boka na ma maintain a din level no up to now me almost 20 years I got 20 years here ni imagine ma boka odi ne ho ayadwuma boka wo ho aprodect din no amadini gusu ye lewen ma ba transfer ma sebi wo sa udise water closet me transfer ma wo interview nyansa be ni wo ti no I will not come any obenya time sa ko say nyanko ba to nsa afre me ubenya time sir because I will never allow you to call me and come to a studio from Pantan to sit down one-on-one and talk to me and you small boy put questions to me to answer for you. Idiot. Eh? Don't try me. For now quite skentry nanche. Logic, Mr. Logic, abom sampa. Boy, no, then you deserve say ampa, ya nyan to wash it, yeah. But you not come to apologize, then you feel proud. Me, open push your bukum, hey, and I roll away, or who say, when you take against my mouth for me. Ghana for young to bet, Namun kind of cray. Could just shut the one year French me say, Eva Patapadi. Could I better go on. 1 year French me, more for show 99.99%. Whoa. Step the between the between o man beja ho abesume ye menu pete ye press cs kuma o man be say we le we pra na wo de obi ampo fusion say e dey for so na ma anya free so o man watching me anytime every day o bampo watching me anytime every day your family watching me every time any day. How can you 70th we are bad man what could do ahoden a wonsuo hwe which ana satwale point man away shata will nko enya me that the 17th if you are man go try your team try and see that day you can come to the record I don't have any problem but go to enter inside to watch a country called Ghana. I put you your team and the Fiifi Pratt too. Don't try. Medamasi.
The ekwaso nyina no ase edru baabi no na se me akra no eya me se ase eye hype bi na Kwadwo Nkansah ede pe until say Fiifi Pratt ebusa Kwadwo Sheldon no omu e conversation mu e ma ne ka se o da bi ono ne de one Lilwin ewom se ebi mutimi ya sa se omu hyehye ho na ayete se ase o de hype adwuma no but Kwadwo Sheldon se ono ne de bisa enko so na embom Kwadwo Nkansah ne mbom ne pese or the hype in the Jumane de ya, or none of the maybe sa encoso.
This week I have, but what they say, for PF said they hype. On a day hype because all the videos that he created, you see the flyer where then they sell the ticket, right? Yeah. So I didn't want to dignify the whole thing because if you want us to create, that buzz around it, come and see me so that we do this thing. Make you not do like you be senior man and you have say what I have invested in this work millions of CDs and you pass a comment about it. Matankoma tell you say you no go appear in your movie. You did the video insulting her.
Abusia na chese die ekoso between Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin and Kwadwo Sheldon no na yede abesomo no. I think that this is the 5th video my ye afa Kwadwo Sheldon and Kwadwo Nkansah eho we ebeto mane we na we nso ato amane we. Abusia Kwadwo Nkansah nsem bi a waka ewo ne recent video we mu no. In fact entwa ye because to the extent say ode Kwadwo Sheldon etoto sabita fraction utrum say utrum mpo efe esene Kwadwo Sheldon anim na wadampo no eno de Kwadwo Nkansah question mark eda ho ene dem wan kasa ye ewom se one no anya beef but to this extent nanim anase neti ese water closet ni nyina ye nsem bi a ifri mu ba ya ye hu se Kwadwo entwa ye yesi obi fum kuma ye mfom enwa ti mesre se obekire wadwen e comment section ho Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ene Kwadwo Sheldon e beef no de asa afri mu aba enso eno no ye koso e de akire ye de ye hwesa asomdwe emra na emom sa asomdwe na ama de be firi beba bia no ye de be somo na wahu de e koso aha e strong media meda wase na mama omo ene hwe na masel se obekire wadwen afa video ho na wi a wa share ama onua bi ensa atumi aka edin no e de AG meda se.
Let's welcome the time ladies. Say you're malaria. When I'm not too for I'm too so time ever make sure. Time ever make sure. Time ever make sure. A 3D drone and one day time ever make sure. Time ever make onyem ne nyoma no phone timi mfedro bi abofra ondi mfedumie no entimi mfedro
ko hospital anasa lab mienya wo a 3-day monhwehwemu ansa na wetimi anomedro yi bi
kayo set time no e time
ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers
any herbal shop to do na mu
FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato